Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. A common misconception about laying new lawns is that it can't or shouldn't be done during winter. This, for the most part, is not the case, as new lawns can be laid at any time of the year in most parts of Australia. In the warmer states like Queensland, Northern Territory and Northern WA, laying lawns in winter is generally fine as the temperature doesn't get cold enough. In the cooler states like New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia and Southern WA, the cold temperatures can sometimes put doubt in people's minds about laying lawns during winter, but you definitely can. Lawn Solutions Australia turf farms undertake a number of measures to ensure the turf they supply during winter is top quality, including the use of frost blankets and colour guard applications. This is done so you can be assured you are not getting an inferior product just because it's winter. Now keep in mind when laying a new lawn during winter that the roots won't properly establish until the weather warms up in spring. Now this doesn't mean anything's wrong and your lawn isn't dying, it's simply sitting idle until it gets some warmer weather so it can fully establish. There are 3 great benefits to laying your new lawn in winter. Number 1, less irrigation. A benefit in laying a new lawn in winter is lower water usage. In the cooler months, whilst it still needs some water, you can virtually halve your water usage by installing turf in winter and still maintain a healthy lawn come spring. Number 2, less mowing. If you're installing a warm season grass, you won't have to mow your lawn until the weather warms up. This comes in very handy as the winter months have shorter days and weekends filled up with sport and other activities, which makes it much harder to find the time. Number 3, a summer ready lawn. Your backyard in most cases is relatively unused in winter, so why wait? Beat the rush in spring and install your lawn now so it's ready to use all summer when you need it. We have plenty of videos here to help you with your new lawn come spring, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia. We hope to catch you next time.